Apple may completely change the naming scheme for its next iPhones. It's not just Apple, man. It's like every smartphone company is running into issues with their naming schemes. It's like they're running out of ways to phrase all these different models they're offering. And Apple didn't even offer that many models, but they're already bumping into issues. Like, for example, the 10R. Everyone was trying to figure out, what does the R stand for? How do you describe it to people? Like, nah, get the 10R. I mean, to like an average customer, what does the R mean? What is the, like, S was hard enough to follow at one point. When you had, like, let's say the iPhone 6S. Okay, you got three things to remember: iPhone, 6, and S. Cool, got it. And you knew that the S was the newer version of the 6 right away. And I think they said, what was it? S was speed or
speed,
whatever it stood for, because it was generally a spec bump, the S model. But now, once you went to iPhone 10, which, by the way, people still call X. They don't even say 10. Mm-hmm. The other day, I'm getting ice cream, Will. I'm out getting ice cream. Is that all right with you?
Like a regular guy?
Yeah, yeah. Is that all right with you?
Never thought you would.
No. Hey, I'm getting ice cream.
What kind of ice?
What did I get? I think I got ice. I got an ice cream sandwich.
Okay, classic.
But it was like a fancier ice cream sandwich. So the two cookies had a bit of a crunch to it. It wasn't soft. Now, granted, the soft one I'll put in the freezer. It's no problem. Mm-hmm. But I'm saying this was an upgrade, so I felt special for a minute. It had the soft serve on the inside of the two, and it was good. Anyway, they're over in the distance as I exit the place. There is a huge group of, like, probably, I don't know, 13-year-old girls. There's probably like 20 of them. I don't know if they're having a birthday party. I don't know what's going on. But they're snapping photos like crazy. Like, just pow, pow, pow. Like, it's second nature. And I'm just there eating my ice cream sandwich, as I would do, minding my business, as I would do. And I overhear, no, don't take the photo on that phone. Use the iPhone X. Somebody grab the iPhone X for the photo.
Yeesh.
I don't think I did a good enough job of a 12-year-old girl's voice there, but
very hoarse.
Yeah, today's not my day for that impression.
Yeah.
But I was overhearing it. I'm like, man, two things were interesting to me. They knew that the iPhone was going to give them a better photo, and that was what mattered to them. They whatever, based on their experience, they're like, that's going to make me look beautiful. One. And two, they called it X, which I think so many people do, just regular average customers. They see an X. They don't see a Roman numeral 10. Stop it. Like, humans aren't operating that way. So anyhow, what you end up with in these in the naming convention, once you got to XS, XR, and XS Max, which is where we're at right now. Imagine that. Now you got to remember iPhone, X, S, Max. Mm-hmm. That's the one I want, Mom and Dad. Get me that one for my birthday. It gets kind of out of hand. So I guess they're trying to fix it up, but I don't know how much they're going to fix it up. This particular document suggests that we're going to end up like this. The iPhone XR will become the iPhone 11. Okay, so the budget, popular LCD version of the iPhone becomes the standard version of the iPhone. The iPhone 11 that most people will end up buying because it's easy to follow. Okay, that's the new iPhone, the iPhone 11. Mm-hmm. I'll take it. Then the iPhone XS becomes the iPhone 11 Pro. So forget about S. No one knew what it meant. No one cared. Put the Pro on there like almost everyone else is doing in the game and indicate to people that now you're going to get OLED and you're probably going to get an extra camera or whatever other spec bump. iPhone 11 Pro. Now this is the squirreliest one, Will. When you get up to the big boy, you're going to be looking at the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Imagine, Jack, I'm like, hey man, which phone you got? You're like, this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm like, geez, take it easy, Jack. Why are you grinding your teeth? Why are you talking to me like that with your jaw clenched? Yeah, never mind if you have to mention the color. I'm currently using the rose gold iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm like, geez, what got into you, Jack?
256.
What got into you, Jack? Yeah, Pro Max. I don't know. It's a report as it stands right now. This is coming via 9 to 5 Mac. Mashable posted. I think it originally started on iPhone Soft, which was a French iPhone site, Apple site. So look, it's speculation at the moment. I don't know that it's great. I like the fact that you could just have a regular iPhone 11 and everything gets weird after that with the whole, I think I don't like the word Max. Like maybe I prefer Plus to Max.
Pro Plus?
Pro Plus, it's bigger. But then again, I don't know. It's hard. You start thinking about this stuff. I guess then you would have iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Plus. And maybe you could just use the plus symbol. So
Yeah.
I don't know. So it's less of a big deal. They obviously thought about it. They're Apple. They're smarter than us, Will. They're counting a few more dollars than we are on a daily basis. Mm-hmm. So who are we to tell them? But nonetheless, it could be a change in the naming convention on the next version of devices, and we're gonna find out real soon.